Hi, I'm Aurijit from Bizwin, and today we are going to cover a topic which is very interesting and exciting. In the next section, we are going to talk about value proposition positioning. Now, let's understand. We will do it in a two slides. We have divided into two slides: broad positioning and value positioning. In the broad positioning, what happens is we have a product. We are designing the value for it. We have to be clear about where this product is positioned. There are four broad positioning aspects which we have covered: A, B, C, D. A can be when you are solving a few problems or need for a large number of customers. Now you are building a product or a solution, or you are designing a service which you want to solve a few problems for a large number of customers. There can be one broad positioning. Second broad positioning can be you are solving many problems for a small number of customers. So A, we are solving few problems for a large number of customers. B, we are solving many problems for a few number of customers. And then C is we are solving many problems for a large number of customers. So this can be a broad positioning. And D is we are solving very few problems for a very small segment, meaning we are playing in the niche. So you, with your product, with your solution, with your service, you have to be very clear which broad positioning play you are going to adopt to make you successful. Okay, this needs to be very clearly understood based on A, the market where you are operating, the feedback that you are getting from your prospects and customer, the inputs that you are getting from your collaborators, and the kind of competition you have in the market. Based on this, you have to choose one or two of these broad positioning for specific offerings. Do not choose all four broad positioning for the same offering in the same market. That would be detrimental for you. Next, once we have done this, we have to see what can be the positioning communication. The positioning communication can be multiple. We have just captured 6 of them. Number 1 can be attribute-based positioning, meaning we are the best, or we are the fastest, or we are the highest. So this can be an attribute-based positioning. Next is category-based positioning. In this particular category, we are the best, or we are providing these benefits for this particular category of offering. So suppose you are dealing in say a specific chemical manufacturing, or you are building a specific software for customer relationship category. So you have to be very clear about it. Third is user-based positioning, that my product or my solution is best used for maybe the shop floor technician, or my product is best used for software designers, my product is best used for the athletes on the field, okay, or the players on the field. So you have to be very clear. So this can be another way of positioning. User-based positioning, depending on the nature of the product and the kind of market you want to address, you have to adopt one of these or maybe 2 of these. Do not adopt all of them. So we have covered attribute-based positioning, category-based positioning, user-based positioning. Then come application or usage-based positioning, meaning where will this product be used? Will this product be used in the shop floor, or should this product be used in a high temperature? This can be a product which is appropriately suitable for a very high temperature usage. So application based positioning is also one of the very important positioning message. Next is competition based positioning. This you generally adopt when you are entering into a market which is already crowded. So you take the competition's positioning statement and make a statement which is differentiated to your competitor's positioning. And the 6th is a no-brainer, benefit-based positioning. These are the benefits you are getting in terms of, we call it MRT principles when you articulate benefits: money-related benefits, risk-related benefits, and time-related benefits. Money is savings, revenue increase, profitability increase. These are money-related benefits. Risk-related benefits is reducing or mitigating process risk, business risk, technology risk, and time-related benefits is improving the efficiency, cycle time, effectiveness, so on and so forth. And if you can do it properly, the outcome is you get a strong brand, you gain your market share, and you be the thought leader in your market. So this is about the broad positioning. Next we go to a competitive value positioning. So we have done the broad positioning. We know which, whether we are targeting for large customers or small customers, or what we are targeting for. We have done attribute, benefit, whatever we want to do for the target segment, for the offering nature. And next step is the value positioning. Now before value positioning, we have to be very clear in our mind, in a head-to-head competitive situation, what are we winning through? Meaning, if I am in a segment A with my product offering 1 and 2, and I am in a competitive situation, what is it that I can win it through? Is it through quality? Is it through service? Is it through the product innovation? Should I tell my customer, hey, in terms of product innovations, we are not superior? Or is it through continuous improvement? We are a firm which have adopted the Kaizen principle. We are doing continuous improvement henceforth. We are much superior in this competitive scenario. Or is it through adaptability? Meaning we are so flexible that we are flexible and responsive to a customer situation that we can adapt or customize our offerings to fit into a customer situation. Okay, so these are the 8 ways you can win through. There can be 1 or 2 ways more. But these are 8 primary ways. Again, you don't apply or use all 8 ways in a competitive situation. These are for a competitive transactional situation. You have to think about it. Why? Because you must have designed the value in a way where 1, 2 or more of these elements can come into the play. Next comes the actual value positioning. There are primarily 6 value positioning, and you guys would be aware of them more or less. Number 1 is more for more, meaning the product or the service that I am bringing you to today, you get more benefits, but you have to pay more than what the current market or the competition offer you. Number 2 is more for sale, meaning I have a product or solution which offer more benefits at the price or at the cost which is more or less same which is available in the market. Number 3 is more for less, meaning I have a product or service, I can add more benefits than anyone else in the market today, and I will also charge you less. Okay. Now, like this, we have same for less, where we are putting or giving the same benefits at a less price. This can be same for same benefits at the same price, and less for less benefits at a less price. Now, which value position you would choose would again depend on the market which you are trying to capture, the target customers that you have, the competitive scenario in which you are operating, and obviously the nature of the offering which you are bringing to the market. For example, same for same is a no-brainer, meaning we are offering the same product in the same service at the same price. This is more for a standardized offering where there is hardly any difference, or you are not able to differentiate, or you are not able to add differentiation for some reason into your product. Where you offer more for less, when you are getting into a new market, maybe you want to capture the market, so you are offering more benefits at a lesser price. Now, what is the most desirable value positioning for an organization? If you are, again, it depends from organization's nature and aspirations, but broadly, if you are aspiring to be a thought leader in your space, if you want to be considered as an expert practitioner, your target value positioning should be more for more. Meaning, if I am offering more, I should command the market respect to get more price for the additional benefits that I am bringing in. There is nothing right or wrong about any of this value positioning. You have to choose it carefully by taking into consideration, again, as I was saying, the market, your offering nature, the competitive space that you are offering, and your target customers. So if you need any help in these areas, again, you please get in touch with us. We will be able to handhold you how to get into the details, what to do, what are the steps, and we help a lot of organizations across the world. We'll be happy to help you as well. If you need any help, any hand-holding, our contact information is there at the bottom, and we'll be happy to help you, happy to handhold you, and delve deeper into each aspect of the elements that we discussed today. Once again, thank you very much, and you have a great day. Thanks a lot.